What's up, y'all? It's day 3. I'm so excited to have y'all back. We're going to target the abdominal wall today, also get a really great stretch in with the legs, maybe even learn a new pose. I'm really excited for y'all to try. If you want to meet on your mat, we can get started. And if this isn't a good time, I totally get it. Add this to your watch later and enjoy this practice whenever you do have the chance. All right, so we'll start seated nice and tall. We're gonna right away bring this left foot in, send your right leg out long. Toes are gonna be pointed towards the sky. We'll bring our hands to the waistline, turn to face your right leg. Inhale, sweeps the arms up and overhead. Exhale, we're gonna just drape on forward over this right leg. If you want a little deeper stretch in the left side body, maybe you bring your left hand over to the outer edge of your right ankle. You can let go of the head and neck here and start breathing really deep. Big full breath in. And a nice long breath out. Deep breath in. And exhale nice and slow. We'll roll it up. We'll take a little counter twist now. Right hand is going to come to the left knee. Left fingertips will reach up and over towards the right. Feel this big opening in the left side body. Big deep breath in. And exhale out. One more big breath in here. And exhale, come back to center. We'll bring this right foot in now. Send your left leg out long. Bring the fingertips to the waistline once again. Turn to face this left leg. We'll inhale, sweep the fingertips up and overhead. And on your exhale, drape forward. You can tuck the chin, let go of the head and neck, and start breathing really big, deep breaths. And same thing on this side. If you want a deeper stretch, maybe you bring this right hand over to the outer edge of your left ankle. It's subtle, but give it a try if you like. Makes a little difference. Big, deep breath in. And a long breath out. One more big inhale in here. And exhale, roll it up nice and slow. Going for our counter twist on this side. Left hand meets the right knee. Right fingertips reach up and overhead towards the left. Big opening in the right side body. Big deep breath in. And a nice long exhale out. Deep breath in. And exhale to release it. We'll bring this left foot back in and come onto all fours, nice and slow. So wrists right under your shoulders, knees right below the hip points. We'll press firmly into the tops of the feet and inhale, drop the belly, open the chest. Exhale, round it through, tuck the chin. Always good to warm up your practice with some cat-cows. And really a good place to really start syncing up with your breath. And if you want to veer off the railroad tracks a little bit, bump the hips a little side to side. Or maybe you want to send the gaze a little left to right. Whatever feels good for you, feel free. Just gonna do a couple of these. Exhaling as we round through. And inhaling as we drop the belly, look forward. Exhale, round it through. Inhale, drop the belly. Let's do one more and meet back in tabletop position. Awesome work. Tabletop position. We're going to drop the elbows where the hands were. So we're creating this really nice slope with the forearms. Start to walk your knees back as you melt your forehead towards the earth. Really find this lift up from the hip creases, puppy posture, and feel this beautiful release in the shoulders. Big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Big inhale in. And exhale nice and slow. We'll start to lift the head, shift forward, and come onto the belly. You can walk the elbows right below the shoulders, Sphinx pose. Sit up nice and tall. Find that lift in the chin. Big deep breath in. And exhale to release it. We'll swim the fingertips around the back. Bring them to interlace behind the tail. Zip up through the legs nice and tight. And inhale, lift off, locust pose. Really draw those knuckles back. Big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Let your body kind of move and flow with the breath. We'll be here for one more big breath in. And exhale to release it. Release the bind. Release forehead to the earth. And super fancy move here. We're just going to rock onto one side and come onto our backs. Awesome work. Right away, send the feet out. You can point and flex through the toes. We'll inhale, sweep the fingertips up and overhead. Big full body stretch. Exhale, we're gonna hug the knees into our chest. Big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Now we're going to send this left leg out long. Send your right foot up towards the sky. We'll bring the fingertips around the back of the right leg to interlace and hug up towards the chest. Inhale to lift the head and neck. Keep the neck nice and long here. Deep breath in. Exhale, now we switch. Right leg goes down, left leg comes up. Inhale in, exhale to switch. So we're scissoring the legs here. You can pick up the pace, draw your navel down, and keep breathing really big, deep breaths. You can feel that in your core. If you feel a little shake, that's okay. That's what it feels like to be alive. So stay connected to the breath, scissoring the legs. We'll be here for 10, 9, 8. Maybe we pick up the pace a little. 7, 6, 5. Gaze is back. 4, 3, 2. And on the 1, we'll even it out and release head and neck to the earth. Awesome work, y'all. We'll inhale, send this right leg up once more. Exhale, outer edge of the right ankle is going to come to the top of the left thigh. We'll lift off of this left foot. Right arm will go through the hole and squeeze the legs up towards your chest. And you can rock a little side to side here if you like, breathing big, full, deep breaths. Inhale in. And nice long exhale out. We'll take one more big breath in here. Exhale to release it. We'll unravel nice and slow. And take it to the other side. Left leg reaches up. Big deep breath in. Exhale, outer edge of the left ankle to the top of the right thigh. We lift off once more and bring the left arm through the hole. Bring the right arm around to interlace and squeeze the legs up in towards the chest. Should feel really good to have your low back flushed with the mat after that core work. And also opening up in the hips. Big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. Stay connected to your breath, my friends, the most important part. Deep breath in. And exhale nice and slow. We'll release it. We'll bring the legs up and nice and easy, rock up to a seat. We'll come back to all fours now. Walk the palms a little bit forward, curl the toes under, and lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. And y'all know what's up. Pedal it out a little, big deep breaths. Inhale in. Exhale to drop the heels. Inhale sends this right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, shift it forward and step it up. We'll lower the back knee and start to scooch this right foot to the outer edge of your mat. We'll bring the right hand into center to meet the left. Lizard pose. Open through your chest here. Big, beautiful, deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. One more big breath in here. Pull back through that right hip crease. Exhale, let it go. Now we're going to turn your right toes to face outwards, so kind of catty-cornered, not aligned with the edge of your mat. We're going to lift this back knee up, plant your left palm, inhale, reach the right fingertips up like our usual twists. And now, nice and easy, we're going to rock onto the outer edge of your left foot, send these right fingertips back, horizon lunge. So keep the hips lifted here. This is tones the arms, the legs, the glutes, the abs, really great stuff. One big deep breath in. Exhale, nice and easy, just come right back the way we came. Through our lizard, we'll walk this front foot back to center, plant your palms, and step it back. Take a vinyasa here. And exhale, down dog. Big deep breath in our down dog. And a nice long breath out, let it go. We'll take it to the other side, anchoring through the right foot. Inhale, lift your left leg up high. Deep breath in. Exhale, step it up. We'll lower the back knee and start to walk this left foot towards the left edge of your mat. Left hand will come to center to meet the right. Take a few breaths here in your lizard pose as you open through the chest. Big inhale in. And a nice long exhale out. Big deep breath in, y'all. And a long exhale. Draw back through that left hip crease. One more big breath in. Exhale, we'll start to send the left toes a little more towards the left, so they'll spill off your mat. That's okay. We're going to plant this right palm. Inhale, lifts the back knee. We'll also inhale, sweep the left fingertips up and overhead, just like our twist. And now nice and slow, rock onto the outer edge of your right foot as we paint a wall with our left palm, reaching it back towards the back edge of your mat. Horizon lunge. Big deep breath in here. And a nice long breath out. We'll be here for one more big deep breath in. And exhale, nice and easy. This left palm will come back to meet the earth. And we'll scooch this left foot back into center. Inhale to open the chest, look forward. Exhale, plant the palms and step it back. One last vinyasa. Open your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Big deep breath in here. Exhale, lower the knees. We'll swing the feet to one side and come through to a seat. Ending where we started in Sukhasana. Sit up nice and tall, big deep breath in. And a nice long breath out. We'll bring the palms together, thumbs to third eye, and bow. Namaste. And thanks again, friends. I really hope you enjoyed today's practice. If you want to see more content like this, check out our app, Yoga Plus. A lot of really great stuff on there for you to try. I highly encourage it, and I hope to see you there.
Welcome to Yoga Plus. Courses available from pupil to yogi. Sort by yoga, fitness, and instructors. Create your own routines. Access the Pose Library. Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth, available on Google Play and the App Store.
Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psyche Truth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts.